Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenz on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Bulgaria City 0. I'm joined by Roland and Tutuna.
Yes, Tibo. Hey, bayenza into emnandi. I-Sundowns bafethu ishaya izandla madoda. Basibuka isibhola lemnandi bhuti namhlanje. Quality mfethu. Yabona lalela bhuti. Yabona into engiyithanda namhlanje approach yakhe uKhadoso. Ubonisile ukuthi akazelanga ukuzodlala efika ne 3 points. Yabona mfethu uthe maqeda ukhipha Adam sobona ukuthi yazini athi ngenze plan le something ukuthi ngifake uNuno Santos. Then ikhona into ayenzekile. Thembazwane first half kade angakadlali. Kodwa it comes ukuzamile ukuthi azama ukutshintsha igame uThembazwane. Ngithandile i-approach yakhadoso bafethu angifuni uqamamanga 3 points abafethu bafanele namhlanje bafethu nisebenzile yabona Ntomgayise konganje
ngicela i-question eyi-1 sikuphi lana siseloftas ePitoli yila ikhapi ihlala khona la khona namhlanje ufuna ukubakhumbuza Sithibo labo Ntombikayisi ukuthi kumele bazi ukuthi bona badlalela leya position leya i-position 2 njengoba sishilo ukuthi laba bazohlala bayi number 2 Sithibo. I've enjoyed today's game Sithibo kakhulu ngoba bebakhuluma kakhulu bathi akwenzeki ukuthi iSundowns ingaya ngale ePulukwane ibuya ne3 point iphinda nala ithole 3 point yabuzwa ukuthi yini into ezostop iSundowns because labantu laba baphethe i-squad depth mawubhekile babheke webadlale ngakhona namhlanje Sithibo bavele baqeda ithembo labanye abantu lishabalala phelile ithembo labo alisekho konke manje sekuselele ukuthi sizolwa until ekugcineni uyabona ukuthi lo muntu akasabambelelanga sewuyawa uyabona sewuwina akasekho manje siyolwa until ekugcineni ayikho okay, out to the chat. Let me answer you, Steve. It came here Tuesday. If Ntombikayise win, say I lose the 3 points.